It's Lime, and today I'm going to draw a unicorn with a nice rainbow tilde. First, draw the unicorn's head and hair. Let's draw and color together. Let's wake the unicorn. Wake up! Wake up!
Lime Magic!
Draw the unicorn's body and legs. We're going to paint the unicorn's fancy hair and tail in a rainbow of colors. Draw me some cool wings, Tilda. Now draw the tail. Great! We'll also color the tail in a rainbow of colors. Now we're going to draw a cloud friend. There are 2 clouds, Tilda. I even drew my best friend a heart angel. Draw a shiny star. Emphasize the outline with black magic. I love unicorns. Will your friends like it? Wow! How about some cool unicorns and cute friends? Beautiful! Now let's do some coloring. Lilac. Paint the unicorn a bright lilac color. Our unicorn is going to be beautiful. Let's transform into a magical unicorn. Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Indigo. Purple. Great. Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. wings a rainbow of colors. Perfect! Paint the outline one more time with black maca. Now we're going to color our unicorn friends. Yellow, light blue, light green, light pink. How about some cool magical unicorns and friends? If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and like it, Tilda. See you next time with more fun magic drawings, Tilda. Bye.